I've just spent the past 2 days with Alison on EFT Level 2 workshop, and I really wanted to come and do the Level 2 workshop because I had done Level 1 earlier in the year, and I wanted to advance my skills and my knowledge to be able to help assist my clients that I have already, and also for my own personal practice as well. I've been through quite a bit of a trauma in my own body and my own healing process, and so this weekend's been really useful in being able to actually clear some of my own stuff and to get some tools to use in the future as well. So I'm looking forward to becoming accredited and going down that path and journeying with Alison as my mentor, and it's just been such a beautiful weekend where the space has been held so safely, and her teaching is so thorough, and I've really enjoyed it, so thank you.